Why do people talk a lot about lesson study nowadays is actually a regional issue. First of all, Japan is doing something very good in education, and many countries are following up some other countries' education systems. And when we look at Japan, so we see that they have very good disciplined way of teaching to students and developing teacher trainings as well at schools. So that's why some countries and some schools are focused on Japan system. And the biggest difference, the most important thing in here comes out lesson study. We see lesson study here. First of all, people like this idea to learn from each other. And the second thing is that they have an outcome, they have a result now. The outcome is obvious that they have a very successful implementation at schools, and people that's why like it and they follow it very well. And as I said at the beginning, so it's a regional issue. In this region, people are so close to these people and they have several events in here, and it's been marketed and it's been placed here very well. That's why people follow it and people like it a lot. Mainly it was in Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyz teachers also like it. Now this year we also brought this conference in here, and people will have a chance to see some scholars from Japan and some scholars from Kazakhstan and some experienced teachers and educators and trainers also from Kyrgyzstan. On the 24th and 25th of April, we are going to have a conference here. We learn together and we'll grow together. Under this team, we are planning this event. And we have 2 days. On the 24th of April, we are going to have a conference, workshops, and poster sessions. So we have a very limited number of seats now available, and people who would like to join should start immediately registering, and they can register through our websites and through our social media accounts as well. So on the first day, we have keynote speakers. Tetsuya Kuramoto, Anwar Zangozin, Bruce Lander are coming. Dushun Shamato, who is very famous and who is very important for Kyrgyzstan, will be joining to this conference. They will have keynote speeches there, and we are going to have a panel session as well with these names there. And on the first day also, we will have some workshops and trainings. So, and some trainers will also have trainings for the teachers who would like to join. On the second day, we are going to have a school visit. On this day, so we will have 6 different separate subjects classrooms, and we will have a session which these classes will be planned with lesson study methodology, and we will have a lesson there, and after the lesson we are going to have an evaluation of the lesson. We will talk about the lesson. This is the best part of lesson study actually, so we will learn from each other. So under what criteria the lesson was planned, so what went wrong, what went well, so what was good, and we will also get the reflections of the students and the teachers. This will not help only for the teacher who has this classroom in the classroom there, but this will also help for the participants who observe the classroom. That is why we are going to have 2 important and very valuable days on the 24th and the 25th of April, and we invite all of our educators who are interested to this subject to the conference.